Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Kofi account. And you may be wondering, what is Kofi? Why do I want to know how to create a Kofi account? No, if you've heard about Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee, then Kofi is one of those alternatives that you can basically do the same thing. So you can take donations, you can set up your membership, and you can even set up your own store. So if you're a content creator on a YouTube channel, then Kofi might be a really cheap and cost-effective alternatives. And that's why in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an account. And not only that, if this is the first video you're seeing, then you want to stick around, perhaps subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to come out with much more videos showing you how to sign up, how to use Kofi, and show you how to use the entire system. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and let's jump in. So how do you do it? So how do you create an account? All you have to do, just head over to your browser and simply type in fee, right? That's how it's spelled, Kofi. And you will see the result. It says Kofi.com. You head over to it, it says Kofi, make money doing what you love. So head over to Kofi.com, guys, and once you're on that website, it looks just like that. It says love what you do and make money too, right? How cool is that? So over 1 million creators getting donation, memberships, and sale from their fans. It's a very useful website, and if you check out my channel as well, check out the description, you will also see that I have a Kofi link. So myself is actually starting to use this, and as I said, guys, within my channel, whenever I come across a very useful website or tools, it's a pleasure of mine to share them with you. So I recently started using Kofi, and guess what, I didn't hesitate. I want to share it with you. So to get started, it's very easy. You can create a free account. So just simply go ahead and click sign up for free. And here you want to go ahead and either choose to write your display name, your email address, and enter a password. But for me, for those who have a Twitter account, or let's say X, now a Google account, Facebook or Twitch, you can simply sign in using that. So into this case, I'm going to go ahead and use Google account. So simple choose Google, select your email address, simple click and continue. And here you want to go ahead and click and confirm. So as you can see, once you do that, it asks you, okay, what you will use it for, if you want to use it to make money or you just want to support others. Now, if you have a YouTube channel, you want to go ahead and simply choose make money and Kofi, right? So I'm going to choose that option. Now you want to go ahead and basically select everything. So that's what I do. You can select a few, but I select everything normally. So you can use it to receive tips, build monthly memberships, sell products, and even offer commissions or services. How cool is that? So if you want to have the opportunity to use all, simply select these options, click and continue. Now here you want to go ahead and create your new, let's say, username. So this could be your YouTube channel if you have a YouTube channel, or if you have a nickname, or if whatever you are as an influencer or a content creator, you want to do that name. For this purpose, I'm gonna just say Drew Toots as an example, and I'm gonna simply click on next here. So here you will see, it basically say that I can add an image. Now you can add an image of your choice. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try to find something on my computer related to my channel. So I believe I can find something on the desktop or even in my downloads. It's for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna just simply choose a picture. So let's say I want to choose this picture here of this baby. I'm gonna select that baby face and just simply click and next. Now here you can choose basically a few, whatever you want, you can choose it. It's like some categories. For the purpose of this video, I'm gonna select science and tech and then click and next. Here you can write whatever you want, your bio. I'm gonna simply type Drew tutorial. You can put whatever you want, and you can always modify this at any point in time. I'm gonna click on next. And you will see it's currently creating your account, and guess what it says here, your Kofi page toots personalized. So you can click on OK. Now here you can choose if you immediately want to like add a PayPal or a Stripe account. All you have to do is just simply click and connect. You will receive a pop-up where, let me show you what it looks like. You can click and connect, and here it's going to ask you to to accept that you're not a robot. And okay, it says choose the one with the buses. Go ahead and choose those one, verify, and once you go ahead and do so, it will basically allow you to log in with your PayPal account. So as you can see, it's currently redirecting, and You will just need to enter your PayPal account. If it's the same as your email address, you do it. Otherwise, you change it. Simply click on next, and you'll basically need to sign into your PayPal account, right? So the steps are very straightforward there. Now I'm gonna go back to my Kofi profile, and you will see that you have your profile ready. Now, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna just quickly show you around. So you have your page info, you have your about you here. You can go ahead and you can go to your profile, but you can go ahead and you can view your profile by clicking the profile on the upper right hand side, and this is what it looks like as well. If you click home, you will see it will take you right into your dashboard, so you can go ahead and you will see information such as what your progress is like. You can connect your payment account here. You can scroll down, you will see like how much followers you have, how much page views, so it's like a little analytics right here, right? You can set up some goals and all those good stuff. So on the left hand side, you have your home page, right? Which you can always visit at any point in time. You have your feeds, so you can go ahead and you can basically see what's there in terms of feeds and so forth, right? You have settings. You can go ahead and you can go ahead and modify some things. You can add your website. You can edit about you, connect your Twitter, your Twitch, and even your YouTube account, right? Your payments and orders, you will see these whenever you have payments, messages as well, memberships. You have your shops, commissions, all these different good stuffs here. So I'm going to basically create multiple tutorials showing you how to really use Kofi. But guys, that's how you create an account on Kofi. And if you'd like to learn more about how to use this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And very soon you will see much more videos coming out regarding how to use Kofi.